Are you tired of creating AI videos that are only 5 to 10 seconds long? What if I told you there's a free AI tool that can generate videos up to 10 minutes long with just one click? Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful AI tool that can completely transform how you create videos. This tool is fully AI powered, from script writing to image generation, voiceovers, and final video production. Everything happens inside one smart workspace. And here's the best part: you don't even need to write a script. Just enter your idea, select your video length, and hit generate. The AI will handle everything. It writes the script, creates visuals, adds voiceover, and builds a complete video for you. It even generates a full storyboard, which you can edit anytime. So basically, from idea to final polished video, everything is automated, but still fully under your control. And all of this is possible using CapCut's new feature, Video Studio. You'll find the link in the description, or simply search for CapCut AI on Google. Once you search, open the first website you see. Click on. As soon as you open it, you will see something like this. A similar interface will appear. Try online and create your account. After logging in, you'll enter the CapCut AI dashboard, where you'll see multiple powerful tools. Go to Popular Features and select Video Studio. This will open the main dashboard where you can create AI videos. Here you'll find 3 powerful features. I'll walk you through them step by step. Below that, you'll also see Auto Prep and Inspiration sections, where you can explore ready-made examples for ideas. Now, let's create a video. Go to Canvas Projects and open a new project. Inside, you'll find an AI agent that helps you generate videos. You'll see 4 main options: Add Text Import, Add Links, Create Storyboard. With Add Text, you can write or paste your script. You can also refine it using the Options menu. You can also add multiple text boxes and write your idea or script in them. Then there's the import option. The import option lets you upload your own media. Third, there's the links option, where you can add a content link. You can. For example, if I pasted a link here, it analyzed it and it was added. From here, you can open it in a new tab. You can also add multiple links. And the last option is the storyboard, where you can paste the script and generate the entire video. For now, I'll cut all of these out and start the generation process. Here, you can prompt the AI to automatically generate images and videos. In the image section, you'll find many models, and in the video section, you can generate your own video. Let's start with automatic. Here, you can submit your idea. There are also ready-to-use ideas above. I liked an idea. I clicked on it and sent it. You can see it's creating a video draft. Planning and storyboards are being created on the side. The draft is ready. It automatically selects visual style, characters, background music. You can customize everything. Change visuals, characters, or music anytime. Next, go to Scene Media and select video clips. Set your duration, aspect ratio, and platform, like YouTube. Then click Generate Video and hit Start Generation. Within seconds, your storyboard will be ready and visuals will start generating. After processing, your full video will be complete, with music, scenes, and captions. You can edit captions from the Elements section or extend your script by adding new scenes. Once you're done, click Export, choose your file name, select 4K resolution, and download your video. Now, let's create something more cinematic. If you don't have an idea, go to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt for a cinematic AI video. Copy any idea you like and paste your script. The AI will generate a high-quality draft. you can edit visuals, adjust characters, and fine-tune everything. Once ready, click Generate Video, and your cinematic video will be created. The results are incredible, almost like a real movie. You can even create videos up to 10 minutes long. Want more control? Click Edit, More to open the advanced editor. Here, AI has already done most of the work. You just add finishing touches like effects or transitions. Then export your final video. Now, let's look at the storyboard method. Click on Storyboard project and create a new one. Paste your script. If you don't have media, click Generate AI Media for All. Select a visual style like realistic film and apply it to all scenes. Then choose a voice and apply it across the entire project. Within moments, your full video will be ready. Getting a powerful AI tool like this, especially for free, is rare. You can create full videos or even short films with just a script or idea. The link is in the description. Try it out while it's still free. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.